main attraction. When your flowers come in bloom, with your ever-blushing color, you lit the islands from dusk to dawn. With your ever-blushing color, lit the islands from dusk to dawn. Flame trees, burning bright in the cool, crispy Marianas night. Flame trees, burning bright, lends to the island sweet delight. When the visitor comes to the islands, you're the welcome sight they see. With your crimson red of color, contrast with the turquoise sea. With your crimson red of color, contrast with the turquoise sea. Flame trees, burning bright in the cool, crispy Marianas night. Flame trees, burning bright, lends to the island sweet delight. When in season, out of season, within you there lies a power none of us can dare deny it. You are Mariana's flower, none of us can dare deny it. You are Mariana's flower. Flame